Shiba is close to hitting all-time high in price. If I go down here, click on show more, and with my right eye and with my left eye, it's 7.86% away. And of course, congratulations, over 760,000 holders for SHIB. All this news got me thinking, let's go back to the spreadsheet and do some analysis and find out if you got 20 million SHIB, what would that be worth in the future? My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. 760,000 hodlers, and the price is moving up. It's up 29% of the recording of this video, October 23rd. And let's go to the Captain spreadsheet. So let me go all the way back up here. 20 million Shiba. You probably have it, right? At least 20 million. And that is probably what it's worth if you got into Shiba right now. 4 zeros and a 360 is $720 worth. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. But I know you're thinking, okay, the price is all-time high. Where are some things where it could go? Or if it hits this price, what it would be worth if I have 20 million SHIB. So let's find out. So let's say it hits this price, which I do believe it'll hit this price, at least 4 zeros and a 660. That's basically not that far from the price what it is right now. That literally doubles your investment. If you go up here, if I go back, 720 and 1320, that's close to a double your investment just by hodling your SHIB. Still got 4 zeros in this price, and the price of that SHIB, it has a good chance of happening. So let's continue down the line. 20 million SHIB is not a bad thing, and I know some people thinking, should I get more? If you can get more, and if it works with your budget and your strategy, then you have to make a decision for yourself. So, but to me, the price is still a good price in my opinion, just my opinion. Some people's opinion may be different. Now, if it knocks off 1 zero off the price with the 360 with 20 million SHIB, $7,204 is not a bad deal whatsoever. 3 zeros in this price. Little Timmy's excited now because he's thinking, if I wait longer, I can get something real cool for show and tell. So let me go ahead and go down to the nice price movement. So 3 zeros and a 660. This has a good chance of happening in the future. In my opinion, that would be worth $13,204. Remember, $720 is pretty much the price value if you got in today at today's prices. If you wait, you hodl, you research, and you continue to believe that it will hit this price, $13,204. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, well, the market cap has to be this. Well, you know, Bitcoin has to be this. We're just looking at things that, okay, if it hits this, that's how much this is worth. So let's stay focused right now. So continue down the line. 20 million SHIB knocks down a zero. I think that's 2 zeros. Yes. Okay. 20 million SHIB, 2 zeros in this price, $72,000. Now, little Timmy and all those bills on the white kitchen table next to the ketchup, the mustard, and the onions and the honey is paid for. Definitely. Student loans, old gas bill, medical bills, dog bills, heck, even your eye bill is done. So 2 zeros and the 3602, that's not bad at all. Just by hodling shit with 20 million. This is just only 20 million. You're probably watching this. You could have more than that. So I'm just saying that if it hit these prices, this is how much it's worth. That's all I'm saying. $72,000 is not bad a deal. And here's the next price movement. Look at that. $132,000. 2 zeros in this price. 20 million SHIB. Now you're still thinking big now. We want a house. Well, maybe not a house yet, but you can get something else with that. Maybe you can help your parents, your family. Maybe you put it in a trust fund. Maybe you do something really special with it. I know little Timmy will do something real good. He'll probably go to SeaWorld, go to Six Flags. He may even try to buy Six Flags. But anyway, let's stay focused. $132,000 can really do something really special. I understand the market cap has to be a certain price, but we're just talking if it hits that price. That's all I'm saying. Now, I'm sure you sticking around, you're like, 1 cent. It's 1 cent in the future. Could it happen? Anything can happen, right? So 1 cent, 20 million SHIB, $200,000. 1 0, because it's 0.01. Not bad at all, $200,000. You can do a lot with that. Wow. 700 and what, 20 or $60 for $200,000? Wow. Now we may be waiting for a while for this to have a chance of happening, but man, won't that be special? Now I put something else in here to get you to think. 5 cents, $1 million off a 700 and what was that, $60 investment? And that at today's prices. 5 cents, $1 million, 20 million. That's almost like $1 in the dream, right? Or that's on the 20 million SHIB in the dream. $1 million. I waited so long for this. I waited through all the fun and all the people telling me they won't ever happen. And I got distracted. Well, I actually didn't get distracted. But 1 million SHIB, I waited through the sleet storm, the snowstorm, and we did it together. So a lot will have to happen, but I'm just showing you exactly what that'd be worth. So congratulations, SHIB, 760,000 hodlers, and it looks like it's about to hit the all-time high in price. So it's time to celebrate if you're holding SHIB, which I'm sure you have because you watched the entire video. So I'm just showing you exactly what it's worth, and $720 of that is worth for 4 zeros. We came a long way for SHIB to even reach these type of numbers or potential numbers. So watch this video a couple of times to get you thinking about your strategy, and because I think we're going to have some fireworks at the end of this year. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification because I want to see you again. Congratulations to your SHIB bag. It is going to be very interesting once it hits all-time high in price. Click on the link below if you want to add more SHIB to your bag. You know, Coinbase, eToro, Webull, Crypto.com, and Robinhood is on the way, possibly. I don't know yet, but possibly. I'll see you on the next video.